Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. I'll talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Thank you for joining me for today's cryptocurrency update, where I'm updating a cryptocurrency portfolio on a daily basis. Been doing this since February 2021 to see where the portfolio goes during this cycle. Now, let's have a look. Before I continue, I'm going to do the, make sure you stay to the end of this video, because I always cover the markets or talk about something of importance. I'm not a financial planner or advisor, so there's not a financial planning or advisory video. So make sure you do your due diligence before you make any decisions, and also understand that all investing can be risky. So don't invest more money than you can afford to lose. So get that little disclaimer out. So before I continue, let's share the screen and go straight to the spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet is got 3 columns. The altcoin, Bitcoin, and the totals column. Green is when it's moved forward on the previous day. Red is when it's moved backwards. So yesterday, yesterday wasn't done, by the way. So never mind, we missed yesterday. Oh, I guess it must have been Sunday. So on to today's. Today's date is the 29th. And we'll get the figures from this page here. Comes in from a live feed into an asset group, and we'll get the final figures here. And this portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin, an assortment of specially selected altcoins or alternative coins. Apart from Bitcoin, this is the total. We've got US dollars here, British pounds here, and it currently is 80-20 at the moment. It was a 25-75% split, but it's now 80-20. So the figure I want here is this one, 233,073.36. So let's see, 233 and 73.36. Is that correct? Yeah. And the next figure I want is 290,160.61. 290,160.61. Okay, that's great. Bring that down. That's up. In the last 2 days, Bitcoin is up, so it's all up. So basically we're up 2,817 on the altcoins, 2,090 on Bitcoin. The total portfolio is up 4,907. So that's good. Yeah, as you can see, we dropped 20,000 a few days ago, sometime last week. So we still got to recover from that. We dropped 21,000 rather. But that was, we went up 20,000, we dropped 20,000, 21,000. So we're still more or less in the same place as we were roughly this time last week. So talking about the market, back to that one. Bitcoin, I still say it's still on an upward trend. It's still on an upward trend, even though, it seems to be going sideways. Still, as long as it keeps to this upward channel that I drew a while ago, and it seems to be working within it, it's at the moment, we'll know whether it reaches this and uses this bottom line as support If we use it as support and bounces off, and we know it really is working towards this channel. But it's still within the tunnel, hasn't really fallen out of it, and so it's still acting as expected. With the Gaussian channel, the new candle that was formed, well, that candle is kind of like almost halfway through now. It's got 2 hours, 2 days and 8 hours left, but it hasn't hit the red, the orange line, which is good. Hasn't hit it. So we're looking for this candle to stay way above, way away from this orange line. But at the same time, the tunnel itself is rising. So we're looking for it to stay away, because we even have a little wick here at 53,200. We don't want it to go anywhere near this. If it does, then it might get sucked down. We can stay above it, but that means for that to happen, it would have to stay above the 51,000 level. So we shall see about that. And yet it hasn't really, it needs to really break through this red line and break through the green line. You know, using it as resistance at the moment. We want it to use it as support, and then to use this to break through this line and use this as support. Once we get it through this line and through this line, then we've got a confirmed upward trend. But at the moment, it seems to be struggling to get past this green level, you know, between the red and the green. I mean, right now it's below the red, but it seems to be struggling in this area at the moment. But it will eventually pass it, and that will become history. Still below the 50-day moving average and above the 200-day moving average lines, which is the red and the green, or the green and the red respectively. So we need it to get above the 50-day moving average. It needs to get above into the 60s to get above the 50-day moving average. So we're watching that. And this indicator is showing the mouth is, I don't know, they may be coming together. I don't know. If they come together, that means there's going to be reversal, trend reversal, and which means it is going to start going up. At the moment, red is still at the top, green is at the bottom. And we need the green to be at the top and red to be at the bottom, like here, to get that uptrend. But we have to, you know, these are I've been trying to meet. The mouth is like trying to close, and it may eventually close and cross over. We'll watch that. Once it does cross over, it means the trend is reversing. It's moving upwards, providing it can, you know, meet, and then we have a proper crossover, and then there's a wide gap if the mouth opens again, very, very wide. So we shall watch this to see if these come any closer. They haven't yet, but we'll see if they come any closer. That would be a good time to know that the market, like I said, once they cross, anytime they cross, it means that the market has gone up. On the stochastic RSI, you know, we've got some upward momentum temporarily, but this is usually very short-lived. This does not, you know, last. It may even go up here and then come down again. So we've got some upward motion as the red line has crossed, the blue line has crossed the red line, and so it wants to. It seems like it wants to go up. On the RSI, again, it's still on a downward trend, hasn't changed yet. But really, you know, the real thing here is when you look out on a actually this one. When you look out here on a larger time frame, let's say on the monthly, and we're really looking for this to get above and beyond this blue line. That's what we're looking for it to do. It's trying to get above the blue line at the 76, 71, 68 level on the monthly, and it was rejected. So it looks like it's going to try again, and we'll see whether it finally gets above it, and then it needs to get into, above the 80. This is the overbought and oversold indicator. But we shall watch and see, and that will really confirm. Once it gets above this and stays above this, then we've got a confirmed upward trend. But it's still struggling at the moment, and anything can happen in the next few days. We shall watch and see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go visit our website, IamWealthyandRich.com. How do I understand the game of money and play it? Well, if you haven't watched this video yet, go ahead and watch this video to understand the trend of Bitcoin. But mainly, get your millionaire mindset and investment strategy free while you can, and they'll send it to you straight away and start working on your mindset and a very sensible investment strategy. Don't forget to, as I said, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button. I really appreciate that. It helps the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a wonderful and fantastic day. Bye for now.